Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Namamasko po! Hi there! Thank you for checking out my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. In case naririnig nyo yung background music ng mga ibon at saka yung kapitbahay namin na nagpapatugtog ng Christmas songs, medyo sakto lang din naman dun sa theme ng video na gagawin natin. I'm really sorry kasi there are a few things na nagbago. Una sa lahat, nasira yung aking microphone for the camera, which is one of the reasons why I haven't been filming a lot of yung mga sit-down and ganitong klaseng mga videos. I'm planning to find and buy one really soon. As you can see rin, wala ako sa kwarto. And that is because ako lang mag-isa dito sa bahay at ako ang bantay ng mga babies! This is Ashley. Say hi to them. Hi to them. Say hi. Yan. At syempre si Hailey kanina. Now, this is just parang Christmas gift opening video, if you can call it that. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga pamasko ko from Google and YouTube. So, nakakatawa kasi kanina may hinatid yung parang Christmas gift package ng Google. And I also brought a few things from EduCon sa India, which I'm going to show you guys. So, ano to, parang official merch / mga gifts ng YouTube and Google sa akin. So, I'll show you all of those today. If you're not into this kind of video, yung personal na mga vlog type, just watch a different video. I will link a new lesson na lang dito sa bandang gilid para mapanood nyo yun, okay? Sige, let's get started. Unahin na natin ito. So, ito ay isang malaking, I don't know what to call this. Parang punch bowl, glass vase or vase na may tatak na Google and may mga laman siya sa loob na parang basically coffee at or tea stuff. And I'm going to show you lahat sila isa-isa. Okay? Yan. Ang cute ng detail ng snowflake na to, na metal. I'm probably going to keep this either as a bookmark or wala lang, an ornament. So, para siyang Christmas ornament din. Kaya lang wala kaming Christmas tree. So, yun. Dapat pala bumili ako bago nag-December. So, this is the first one that I got. So, Google siya na parang mason jar type na may butas sa loob for a straw sa taas. Tapos, you have one of these na sobrang in na in ngayon. Lalo na sa mga people who love the environment. So, metal straw siya with a cleaner, which is always handy. Ayan. So, parang ano siya eh, siguro if you want to take your coffee or your tea to go, plus medyo, ano ba to, ceramic yung mismong glass sa loob. So, it'll keep. Tapos, yan. So, isuscrew lang natin yung lid muna ngayon. For now. And ibabalik ko yung stock. Ayan. So, ang pinaka-binibili actually dito, or pinaka-special dito is yung Google. Kasi official na merch siya. As you guys probably know by now, you can't really buy these stuff. Kaya sobrang excited kaming mga creators, especially pag merong mga Google or YouTube branded stuff. Kasi, wala lang, parang you feel legit kind of when you get that. There's also this card. Dapat pala ito yung inuna ko. So, maligayang Pasko mula sa Google. Tagalog talaga. So, nakakatuwa lang, di ba? Next, we have this. It's a coffee mug / tumbler type. Meron tayong lid. Yan, na nagko-close. At saka yung meron din yung para you can sip dito. So, yan. Medyo self-explanatory naman yan. So, again, when you want to take your coffee or tea to go, pwede yan dyan. We have another one. Dalawa siya. Which I probably would give sa aking special na tigatulong or kasama sa team. Si Alex, who helps me with the messages and other stuff sa Facebook page at sa website natin. So, ito, here's another one. This I'm really excited about. It's actually a French press for coffee. So, if you're not familiar with it, you grind the coffee, tapos you put it here with the water. Tapos, after na mag-brew siya, i-press mong ganyan para maging ready siya para inumin. Tapos, ipo-pour mo na lang siya after. May suction din siya, so para siguro hindi siya masyadong mag-move around habang nag-brew ka. So, super handy. This is, I think, coffee. Yeah, definitely coffee na amoy. Yan. I'll use this na right away. Kasi coffee doesn't keep that long. Hindi siya kailangan siya gamitin agad. So, I'll use this right away with these. Tapos, yeah, I think wala na, no? Meron tayong parang linen. Ay! Ayan, yung mga ornament. Marami pala siya. So, meron tayong tela dito na sobrang interested yung mga doggies. Sa inyo to? Sa inyo to? Sige, bigyan natin sa kanila. Nalaroin nila yan. In fairness, ang cute niya talaga. Para siyang laser cut na na manipis na metal. Again, very handy as bookmarks or throwing stars, parang ninja lang. Ayan. So, sobrang nice. Sobrang ganda. And thank you, Google Philippines, for this. Thank you for including me sa list ng mga bibigyan na creators. Sobrang nakakatawa ng puso. So, nakakatawa na may paganito sila ngayon. Nakakatawa. Next naman natin na i-haul, kind of. Papakita ko sa inyo yung mga giveaways sa YouTube EduCon sa India this year. If you're not yet familiar with what happened itong mga past few days, that is yung medyo surprise din. Stay tuned kasi next I'll try to edit and post yung vlog ko for the entire trip. Maraming adventure, may nawalang luggage, may nawalang passport, muntik na ako hindi nakauwi ng Pilipinas, at marami pang ibang mga adventure doon. Pero bibigay ko muna sa inyo yung official na, papakita ko sa inyo yung official na parang merch for EduCon. So everyone who went there had one of these. Binigyan sila. Isa-isay natin yung laman dito. Okay, so first, I just want to compliment yung YouTube team, sila Akshata and the entire agency who worked on the graphics for this. Super subtle pero very clear yung message at ang ganda-ganda niya tingnan. Talaga. So ito yung parang tote bag nila. Yan. So dadalhin mo lang siya. Medyo nauuso na rin naman sa Pilipinas yan. Alam na natin yan, maraming ganyan dito. I have my ID here. Diba? Parang official, oh. Official, EduCon. Tapos nakakatuwa kasi usually sa YouTube events sa Pilipinas, papel yung ID nila. Ito, PVC siya. Yan. Tapos syempre yung ID strap na YouTube. If any of you want this, let me know sa comments below. Kasi medyo marami na akong ganito, yung mga ID strap. Hindi ko naman nagagamit. So kung gusto ninyo, ipag-giveaway natin yan, para magamit naman. I-keep ko lang syempre yung ID kasi sa akin yan. Pero yung strap, pwede natin ipamigay. Next, we have this. Ito ay mug. Alam ko na kasi one of my new friends from EduCon already opened hers. Kaya alam kong mug yung laman dito. Yan. Pero hindi ko pa na-unravel. Itsura talaga. There you go. So, nasa box siya na may styro na laser cut na sakto para hindi siya mabasag kasi lahat kami babiyahe pa uwi. Yan. So, same yung logo, yung mga light bulbs, all around the mug. Yan. YouTube EduCon. I think, alam ng YouTube and Google that we creators run on coffee and caffeine in all of its forms. Kaya puro mga mugs at ganyan talaga yung mga giveaway usually. We have button pins. So, isang black, isang white for YouTube EduCon. Which I'll keep probably kahit isa lang sa kanila kasi sobrang milestone talaga na na-invite tayo doon. Imagine, di ba? They flew me to India. Sagot nila yung flight, sagot nila yung hotel, sagot nila yung food. So, at marami pang ibang mga bonus kaya nakakatuwa. Ito naman yung daily planner. Kasama rin siya sa package. Sobrang ganda niya, in my opinion, kasi hindi dahil dun sa papel or anything na lalaban. Ang pinakamaganda sa kanya is that parang ginawa siya talaga for video creators kasi ang format niya weekly, tas may mga task list. So, probably I'll use this for next year, just for para dedicated siya sa YouTube content ko for next year. So, yan, thank you. Si Akshata also helped design this, so nakakatuwa kasi talagang tiningnan niya talagang maigi kung ano yung mga kailangan ng mga YouTube creator. There's also a pen na nandun sa taas ngayon. Hindi ko na ibababa kasi masakit yung katawan ko. Kaya rin po may mga salon pass ako dito kasi dinala ko yung luggage ko tapos tumatakbo ako sa airport basically. Sa lahat ng trips ko. Hinahabol ko yung plane kaya tumakbo ko, imagine siguro mga dulo-dulo ng MOA. Ganun kalayo yung tinakbo ko nang may dala-dala akong luggage kaya ang sakit-sakit ng shoulder ko. So that's the reason why. Anyway, so that's that. We have this then. This is from the boys ng Kok Bisa. Bisa from Indonesia. Batik ito. Batik na set ng mga wallet. Tatlo siya actually. Parang pasalubong nila sa amin. Yan. Nakakahiya nga kasi yung pasalubong ko nandun sa luggage na nawala. So hindi ko sila nabigyan. Pero next time na lang. So yan. Set siya ng nakakatuwa. View then from the channel na Points of View gave us all yung parang inhaler slash parang yung pantanggal ng sakit ng ulo from Thailand. I just don't have it right now kasi nandun siya sa taas kasi ginamit ko pa rin siya kagabi. Sobrang lifesaver kasi I was having allergies kahit bago pa ako umalis and hindi pa siya masyadong magaling. So the entire trip din back, yun lang yung lifesaver ko sa aeroplano. Pantanggal ng amoy at saka ng stress. So, yun. Medyo nagamit ko siya ng husto talaga sa trip na yun. So, thank you again, View. Thank you to the men of Cock Visa for this. Thank you, YouTube, for all of these. And ito pa yung isa ko pang i-haul na nakakatawa kasi ako lang ang meron, technically, sa lahat ng creators na pumunta doon. So, there were just a few creators that they flew to India for this event. And I was one of them. I was blessed to be one of them na selected to fly there kahit na lit-lit ng channel natin. Pero talagang ramdaman ko yung support ng YouTube at ng learning team sa atin dito sa Philippines. So thank you so much, Aman, Akshata, all of the people who work behind the scenes for YouTube Learning to push this type of content out there in the internet for many people to watch and learn. And what happened was, on the trip punta doon, I had a connecting flight kasi I flew from Manila to Hong Kong and then Hong Kong to Delhi in India. And what happened was, yung luggage ko was lost somewhere in between dun sa transit na yon, nawala yung luggage ko. Which contained all of my clothes, my medications, lahat ng mga gamit ko basically, nandun mga charger ng camera, ng laptop, ng cellphone ko, nandun din sila. That's the reason why wala ako halos posts nitong past few days. Wala akong nagawa kasi yung lahat ng battery ko, lahat ng power bank na meron ako, sinesave ko siya for my phone kasi yun yung pinaka-priority ko kasi mahihirapan ako makauwi kung wala akong phone. So, hindi ako nakapag-charge ng mga devices ko, including my camera. Kaya yung mga shots ko rin, tipid na tipid kasi I only had 3 battery packs. Chinarge ko naman sila lahat ng to full bago ako umalis. Kaya lang, 4 days ako doon, tinitipid ko yung 3 battery packs. So, that's that. Now, pagdating ko doon, syempre wala akong susuot. Medyo worried ako kasi kinabukasan, I will be speaking sa isang panel. Tapos, yun na yung mismong event. So, nakakahiya naman na yung suot ko nung papunta ako, yun pa yung suot ko. Ang suot ko pala papunta was this. Not this particular shirt, but a shirt like this. You Never Stop Learning natin na shirt sa Team Laika na nag-restock tayo actually. So, nagkaroon ng problema sa funder. Sila yung problema. Doon ko kasi usually parang in-align na lang yung shop natin for shirts. Pero since nagkakaroon sa problema at hindi nila alam kung kailan yun maaayos, nagpa-print na lang ako ng maraming shirts. So, if you're ever interested to buy this, again, yung kinikita dito is for the Hope Fund na we use for outreach programs, tsaka free review sa mga college students at iba pa. Yung Hope Fund na yun, iniipon natin yun kasi next year we're planning to build a learning center in Batangas. So yung kinikita dito na pupunta doon. Ito lang yung ganitong shirt lang ang meron ako. Tapos yung leather jacket ko, pants, and then my boots. That was all I had. That night, they decided to send me out on a kind of shopping spree sa isang mall doon sa India because I needed clothes to wear for the following day. And we weren't sure if my luggage would be there in time actually for me to leave before I leave for the Philippines. Kaya talagang parang I had to have enough clothes at least for 2 days just to make sure that I had things to wear, no? Adventure talaga siya kasi, I mean, it's a different country. I don't know yung local language. I didn't know most of the people there. Ako yung bago talaga ako doon. Some of them already met in other YouTube events, but it was my first one na dedicated for educational creators. So, bago talaga ako doon, hindi ko sila masyadong kilala. Tapos, they sent me out with Misha. So, if Misha, in the off chance that you see this, thank you so much for coming with me. She actually helped me pick out the clothes. Kasi if you know me, I don't like shopping that much. I usually go into a store and just pick out whatever I see that catches my eye. And then I get it in my size and leave. That's usually how I shop. Pero Misha was so, determined to help me get clothes that would work. And she also wanted to introduce me to a few Indian designers. And Akshata and Misha also decided to kind of help me get an Indian dress to maybe wear the next day. So I was really planning on wearing an Indian dress, a traditional Indian dress for the actual event. The only problem was we didn't get the right shoes for it. So I did promise that I'm going to wear it one day here in the Philippines and send them the pictures, and I will do just that. So that's what we're going to look at today. I'm going to show you, sorry na-switch ako sa English ha, kasi baka mapanood nila para maintindihan nila. I'm going to show you the things that I bought there. Well, actually, that Google bought for me there. So, isipin nyo na lang, di ba? Good things come out of yung mga bad things. Kasi, dahil nawala yung luggage ko, pinag-shopping nila ako. So, parang, na-equalize din naman yung, kahit na medyo sad ako na nawala yung gamit ko, may mga kapalit naman. And actually, on the last day, meron namang Christmas miracle ako. I'll tell you that story na lang sa vlog. Anyway, some of these I already wore, kaya ko rin gusto i-film na right away para bago siya malaban, may pakita ko na sa inyo. This is the first one. Nakandito pa yon kasi walang gunting nung nandun ako, so tinanggal ko lang yung tag. This is what I wore dun sa EduCon on the day itself. It's kind of parang jean na top na short sleeve. Yan. So, ito yung sinuot ko. Tapos pants, tas yung jacket ko. Para medyo presentable naman tayo, no? Nakakahiya kasi nasa panel ka, medyo kailangan presentable. Ito, hindi ko pa nasusuot, so I'll probably wear this in one of the new lessons na susunod. This is from Reson or Reson. Yan. Specifically, pinili to ni Misha for me because the designers are locals, so they're Indians, and they have this really unique perspective. They kind of use yung mga 8-bit na design at saka mga yung toys from your childhood. Like they had this Snakes and Ladders na jacket na I tried on. Hindi ko lang sure kung kaya ko siya i-pull off kaya hindi ko siya binili. Pero nakakatawa kasi si Misha yung nagpo-pull ng clothes. Are you sure? Parang do you want more? Nahihiya lang ako kasi naman Pilipino tayo, hindi tayo abusado. Pero sabi ko nga kung siguro yung iba, although hindi naman sa Pilipino, no? Kasi meron din akong kilalang Pilipinong abusado din. Bato-bato sa langit. Ito yung mga pinapapili nila ako ng damit. Tapos, siguro yung iba, di ba, syempre, shopping spree na yun. Chance mo na yun. Kaya lang ako kasi nahihiya ako. So, I only wanted to buy what was really necessary. So, I got this one. This is really good. I'm excited to wear this actually. Out of This World, yung print niya. Yan. So, from Reson or Reson from India. So, I'll always have something na nabili ko from there or nakuha ko from there. So, sila yun din yung bumili niyan. They also got me, alam niyo na yun, the essentials, underwear, socks, and stuff like that. I think nasabi ko na rin to before in a different video, no? Pero isa sa mga kind of goals or wish lists ko nung bata ako is a set of things na yung gusto ko sana magkaroon kahit nung bata ako pero I didn't really have the money for that. Kasama dun yung Chuck Taylor so Converse na sneakers which I managed to buy after my first job. Kasama dun yung Nike na sapatos. Yung mga ganun. There's this one dream shoe that I have which is yung Jordan 1 na either yung classic or yung black and gray na version which hindi ko pa nabibili and pag-iipunan ko bago ko hanapin. Tapos yung JanSport na bag, hindi ko pa nagagawa, hindi ko pa nabibili yun. And a few other things, no? And sa list na yon, meron doon nakalagay which is yung Levi's na jeans. Now, bakit? Kasi alam niyo naman kahit dito sa Pilipinas sobrang mahal ng Levi's, right? And I'm being very candid and honest about this. I hope huwag niyo masyado akong okrayin, no? Pero, syempre, kasi growing up ang mga damit namin, syempre, kung ano yung kakasya, ano yung mura, ano yung sale, never naman ako mapaghanap. Okay lang sa akin yun. Kaya, syempre, habang lumalaki ka, iniisip mo rin, ano kaya yung feeling na may Levi's ka or may branded ka na mga damit, gano'n. So, growing up, yun yung wala kami. And I've always wanted to buy one. Kaya lang dito sa Pilipinas, medyo parang inisip ko, practical pa bang bumili ng gano'n? Most of my jeans usually ngayon galing sa Forever 21, lalo na pag sale. Uniqlo, lalo na pag sale. Kasi yun lang yung mga kasya sa akin kasi matangkad kami for a Filipino. So usually bitin yung mga other brands like Lee, ganyan, mabitin yun sa akin. And so one of the stalls na nag-gravitate kami towards ni Misha when we were shopping was actually Levi's. Kasi I was looking for a pair of jeans specifically kasi I needed something to wear. So one of the things we got from that part is this. So, Levi's na top, na mahaba, kind of parang pullover type siya. Ito yung sinuot ko pa uwi, galing sa India, papunta dito sa Philippines. So, sobrang happy na ako dito. But, she also encouraged me to get a proper pair of Levi's na jeans. And, I didn't have the right words to express how much parang it really touched me rin that I actually got my first pair of Levi's in India and it was for free kasi Google paid for it. So this was yung pair of jeans na yon. Skinny lang siya, simple. Kasi nagmamadali rin kami. And, yeah, so now I have this. In a way, it's a small dream that came true. And I'm really happy about that. So parang bonus siya. Talagang sobrang bonus siya. Kasi ako lang naman ang kinailangan na bumili ng damit. Ako lang ang kinailangan na malibrehan ng damit doon. So, sobrang saya. And now, I finally have this. I can tick that off of my wish list. Meron na akong Levi's na jeans. First ever pair in my life. Another special na binigay nila sa akin is this. This is a traditional Indian dress. Tada! Hindi masyadong kita sa camera. Pero okay na rin para hindi nyo makita. Kasi isusuot ko na lang siya soon. There were a number of Indian dresses that she wanted me to try on. And I think she really wanted me to get the peach one. And I did kind of want to get that. Kaya lang, it's a little too far out of my comfort zone. So, I just picked this. Because I think this is something that I'd be more comfortable wearing. So, it's a long dress. And sabi niya, you have to wear this with flats. So, I'll be wearing this soon. Probably in one of the Library View events. There are like, parang beadwork here sa neckline. And also mga embroidery sa ilalim. So, sobrang nice niya at ang ganda ng fit din niya. Kaya excited ako about this. I really want to wear this soon. And I'll show her too. This is by Wishful. So, medyo, I think malaking brand din sila kasi marami silang mga display doon. And this actually costs, really? Honestly, kasi hindi ko tinitingnan yung presyo. Sinusuot ko lang yung pinibigay sa akin ni Misha. Pero apparently, this costs, kung nakikita ninyo, 6,000 rupees. 5,999 rupees. Which amounts to 4,460 pesos for this dress. Honestly, kung alam ko yung ganito yung presyo, I wouldn't agree na bilan ako nito. Masyadong mahal yata for me. Pero wow. Wow. Yeah. So, thank you so much, Google, Akshata, Misha, everyone from the agency, all of the people. Aman, specifically, Aman was very worried about me, kept on checking if I was okay. Thank you so much for this chance to kind of bring something from India to the Philippines too. Now I just lost my words. I never really looked at the tags on these items. I kind of just cut them and set them aside. I didn't want to look at them because I feel that they're too expensive for someone like me. But I'll look at them now. This top costs 1,799 rupees. This top costs 1,799 rupees. So 1,799, that is 1,337 pesos. I don't think I ever owned a top that cost that much in my entire life. Yung Levi's na pants ay 3,799 rupees, which is 2,824 pesos. Oh. Ito, yung jean na shirt, costs 1,399 rupees, which is 1,040 pesos. I think these are the most expensive clothes I have now in my life. Tapos this one, yung Reason. Magkano ba to? I don't have the tag. Pero siguro ganun din yung price range. What? What? Honestly, I'm not used to that. My threshold ako usually for tops, unless pang formal siya, yung tipong long sleeves. Wala akong top that costs more than 1,000 pesos. Actually, wala akong top that costs more than 800 pesos, I think. Yun na yung mga Uniqlo ko na mahahabang pullover. But this, how expensive is this? This is 5,000 pesos worth. And I got it for free. So, honestly, moral of the story, when things go bad, it doesn't necessarily mean na negative din dapat yung outlook natin or na yun na yung end of the world. Kasi if hindi rin na wala yung luggage ko, I wouldn't have all of these. And lesson din that yung blessings come from different sources. And it's very touching for me kasi honestly medyo matatakotin kasi ako na tao. So takot ako lumabas, takot ako about things, about financial security. Of course, I worry about that a lot. I mean, doing this, you don't really know if you're going to earn something or you're going to earn enough to make a living out of it. And that has been a constant struggle for me for the past 3 years that I've been making videos. I mean, how can I support myself? Like, how can I help my family out, help people out if I didn't have enough resources? And all of you guys who send your messages and tell me that you're praying for me and actually pray for me and support and just alam niyo yun, yung all of that positivity, all of that well na wishes, all of your prayers. Nowadays, I feel more confident going out. I feel like there's this cloud of protection din sa akin kasi whenever I go out, I know that you are praying for me. You guys are constantly praying for me. My ates, sila Ate Nors, sila Ate Cecil, Ate Ann, specifically kasi they always reach out. And a lot of you guys that I can't name anymore, yung mga mommies ko rin, salamat po sa inyong lahat kasi you all constantly reach out to me. Si Mami Regina De Hepe, others na natatanda ko yung names kasi they always send me messages. All of you guys who pray for me, I really value your prayers kasi ito yung mga outcome nito, I think. I've read some of you guys na pumasa nung civil service at saka nung recent na licensure exam for teachers who tell me all the time na, Coach, sana si Lord na yung magbalik sa inyo nung lahat ng binigay niyo sa amin. Sana parang i-give back ni Lord 100-fold yung mga binigay niyo sa amin. And all of those, I feel, are prayers sent to God. And ito yung outcome ng mga prayers na yon, that hindi man kayo physically makapagbalik, okay lang yun sa akin, pero tinan nyo yan, when you do something good, when you follow yung path that God laid out in front of you, totoo yung promise, hindi ka magugutom, hindi ka mawawalan ng damit, hindi ka papabayaan ni Lord. And this is really because of you guys. So thank you sa inyong lahat, all 114,000 right now who subscribe to this channel and all the others then who came before you. Thank you so much for talagang nudging me na ipagpatuloy itong journey ito ng pagiging YouTube creator. I really didn't know that it was at all possible for someone like me to have all of these things then and to be blessed by this kind of opportunity. I mean, imagine, di ba, going on a trip for free. And all of this really came about because of all of you guys. I also want to give a quick shout out sa aking little brother, si Nate Punzalan. I already tagged his channel in one of my other videos din, and some of my other videos actually. But I'll link his channel din below. Nate, brother, if in case you see this, I just want to say thank you for this too. Because if you didn't introduce me and what I do to Suzanne and to Moe and all the other people who were there sa Next Up this year, they wouldn't be able to like bridge me kay Aman, who was the one who kind of picked and chose me to be flown to India. So Nate, thank you so much for that. Thank you for helping me out with the packet, the media packet that they were asking for. Thanks, bro, kasi I mean, really that was what gave me this opportunity. That was what brought me to India. And Aman mentioned while I was there, this was just the beginning, and I'm really excited about that too. So yeah, that's it. Please subscribe to Nate. Just a quick thing to thank him for that. He's also one of the few creators din sa batch namin who hasn't reached 100,000 subscribers yet. So maybe we can give him a bit of a boost. Very good kid, very encouraging. I love his videos. He's way better than me at that. So if you want some motivation and inspiration, you can go ahead and check out his channel. So yeah, thanks bro for that. Thanks everyone for subscribing and for supporting Team Laika. Wala ako, wala itong lahat kung hindi dahil sa inyo. And of course, thank you Lord for this giant opportunity. And more of these and what happened there in a vlog soon. I just need to rest up a little bit and do things na kailangan kong gawin before I actually have time to edit that vlog. But the entire opportunity, the entire experience was just really life-changing. So, thanks guys. That's it. Thank you sa Google, sa YouTube, sa aking mga pamasko this year. It's funny because one of the things that I feel sad about dahil hindi na ako nag-work sa isang corporate setting or sa isang formal na company is that wala akong Christmas. Kind of. Wala akong Christmas parties, wala akong exchange gift, wala akong gifts pag Christmas, kasi syempre, di ba, yun yung nangyayari usually sa offices. Nagreguluhan kayo, meron kayong Kris Kringle, may Christmas party kayo. Ako, wala. Dito lang ako sa bahay. Pero all of these kind of, alam niyo yun, ito na yung version ko ng Christmas party. Meron akong mga regalo din, parang nag-raffle din at nanalo ako. Isipin niyo para ako nanalo ng, sabihin na natin, 10,000 pesos worth na shopping spree sa India because of this. So, thank you, and yeah, that's it. So guys, as always, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want more educational, motivational content. Hit the bell icon para wala kayong ma-miss. There are more videos coming up. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung vlogmas natin for 2018. Every day, I'll post a new question for you guys to practice working on. And yeah, that's it. Never stop learning. Aja, kaya niyan. I'll see you in my next video, and bye for now.